Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question 1 over y plus 1 over x equals to 1 over 15, and we are supposed to find y, x plus y equals to what? Solution. And you have to copy what we have. We have 1 here, 1 over y, then here, then plus 1 over x, which equals to 1 over 15. Then here we shall write this one as by finding common denominator of x and y. We shall get here x plus y equals to 1 over 15. By cross multiplication, we shall say 15 open bracket of x plus y equals to xy. Then of course this is 15x plus 15y equals to xy. Then here this can be 15x plus 15y, then minus xy will be 0. Then at this moment, by rearranging, we shall write negative xy plus 15x plus 15y equals to 0. By dividing negative on both sides, we shall still remain with xy minus 15x minus 15y equals to 0. Then here at this stage, what can we do in order to make simple to this question? We can here add square of 15, which is equal to 225 on both sides. Then here, what can we do? We shall write this one as xy minus 15x minus 15y minus here plus 225, which is equal to 225. Right, then here what can we do? This stage here we can factorize x, right, to get y minus 15, and here we can factorize 15, negative 15, to get y minus 15 to be equals to 225. And then at this stage we can group like times x minus 15, then times y minus 15 to be equals to 225. And of course, as we have seen, we're going to use the method where we can find the value of 225, where this can be equals to 1 times 225 and 15 times 15. Right? Then here you can say case 1. We can simply write this one as x minus 15 here to be equals to 1 here, or y minus 15 to be equals to here 225, so that here x will be 16. Then below here y will be 225 plus 15, then y will be 240. Whatever we can do here, we can take this one x as this one or y as equal to 1. So that here on case 1 we shall find the value of x plus y equals to 16 plus 240, which equals to 256. What about on case number 2? What should we get? We have here x minus 15 equals to what? Remember that we have here 15 times 15, to mean that here you have 15, or here x minus 15 equals to 15, and of course here x will be 30, or here, so that here I have y which is equal to 30. And by finding the value of here x plus y, we should get what? This implies that 30 plus 30. Then at this stage x plus y equals to 60, as looked like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.